Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making delicious and crispy tofu burgers using our air fryer. Let's start. Pour 1 cup of veggie broth in a shallow pan and place your rounded shaped tofu slices in it. Cover the tofu slices by adding another cup of broth and bake them for 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Flip them over halfway through baking. While our burgers are coming to room temperature, grab a shallow bowl and add 2 tablespoons of vegan mayo and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. In another plate, add 1 cup of chickpea flour, 1/3 cup of nutritional yeast, 1 cup of panko, and mix them well. Now it's time to season your breading. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of dry parsley, and mix everything together. Now dip your tofu burger into the wet mix, making sure it is well coated, and then transfer it to your breading mix, covering all sides. Once you're done, put your tofu burgers into the freezer for an hour. All that's left is to put our tofu burgers into the air fryer one at a time. Cook them for 20 minutes at 395 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Make sure to flip them halfway through. This recipe will give you delicious and super crispy tofu burgers every time. Feel free to experiment with your seasonings and adjust it to your liking. We hope you liked this recipe and that you give it a try. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future upload. Feel free to comment if you have any suggestions or ideas for future videos. Thank you for tuning in today, and see you next time on Plate on a Budget.